Experience driving perfection in the 2011 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, air conditioning, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.